Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the Blue Ridge Bonfire. This week we are giving away this Cook Kit bag. It has 2 pouches inside. Stay tuned to the end of the show to find out how to win, and roll the intro. And we're back. We are the official show of Blue Ridge Overland Gear. We are all about overcoming the obstacles to getting outside. I'm CT.
I'm John Fury.
And I'm John Fury.
Oh.
No, I'm not.
Oh.
I'm Adam. I'll be Adam today.
We got new stuff for you guys this week. We're going to talk about events. That's why John is here today. We've got a question of the week. We've got some broad gear releases and, of course, the weekly giveaway. So strap in and enjoy the ride.
So was that a seatbelt?
That was my strapping in.
Oh, the seatbelt.
Mine's like 5 point.
I
Like
thought you were doing some
click,
kind of like disco dance or something. Man. What are you
well, I
doing,
can't
man?
dance, so we'll go with the seatbelt thing.
Got it.
So, Adam, what do we got that's new?
So, new in the shop. Today is Friday the 13th, and it is the final day to place your orders in order to receive your broad gear by Christmas.
Yes.
Unfortunately, when it comes to production, we cannot guarantee if you order after today that we will be able to ship in time for Christmas. So please place those orders today, and we will do our absolute best to make sure that those get to you by Christmas.
Absolutely. We're working hard to get those orders out to you. So we keep the what's new brief because we wanted to get to the events, and that is the Overlander and Wilderness and Remote First Aid. So John Fury is the owner of Fury Training Concepts, and he's here to tell us all about it. So John, tell us about this class. Where is it? How much is it? How is it different from a typical first aid class? How do you take it to that next level?
All right, so starting December 20th through the 22nd, we'll be teaching a wilderness and remote first aid class through the Red Cross standards, along with the adult CPR and AED certification here at Blue Ridge Overland Gear. $200 per person. We have 10 spots. Spots are filling up quick, so I recommend you get in touch with us soon. Basically, what we do is we take first aid and we expand it. So first aid is based to from the moment the incident happens to about an hour of getting advanced medical care there. So what we're looking to do is expand beyond that hour. What do we do to get help for whoever may be in that medical emergency till first responders get to you or you get to wherever the advanced medical care can be, looking beyond that hour.
So typical first aid class is really designed around like only stabilizing them till someone can get to them quickly, but this is if help can't get quickly.
Correct.
Yeah, so you're going beyond that hour.
Yep.
Additional ways to stabilize people, a little bit more long-term, a little more advanced techniques.
Yeah, so what we're looking at like bleeding control and what can we do beyond just applying pressure and putting a Band-Aid on somebody, thinking about tourniquets, hemostatic agents, and things like that, as well as like breaks and injuries. How can we splint those with what little bit of resources we have around us if we're in that wilderness situation, and expanding that to be able to get them the help that they need to sustain.
And this will be a hands-on class?
Absolutely.
Excellent.
Yep.
Excellent.
Yeah, 16 hours for the wilderness class, a little bit of time for the CPR class that we have to do as a prerequisite. But the majority of the class is hands-on. So, I mean, we're working as teams and you're going to get to practice these skills. We don't get to cut you loose until we know you know how to do them.
So you mentioned using what you have around you. So could you elaborate on that a little bit?
Yeah, so what we're going to do with this class is we're going to kind of gear it around the Overlander world. So we're going to use like the tools that you have on your truck and the equipment you may have within your Overland rig.
So everybody gets to bring their own stuff to the table and practice with their own gear.
And we highly encourage it. So when we go out and do the field practicals, we're going to have all of our vehicles there in the field. And when we go say, hey, this is the scenario, we're going to say go, and then you go out to your truck, grab what you think you need off of it, whether it's the first aid gear, splints, whatever you carry on your truck. You'll bring it out there to the field and use it to stabilize that victim.
So all said and done, once someone is done with this class, what certifications do they come away with?
Yep, so they're going to walk away with the American Red Cross CPR for adults, which will include the AED portion of that, as well as the American Red Cross Wilderness and Remote First Aid.
Yeah. What is something interesting about you that you never get to tell anyone because they don't think to ask you?
Well, I'm a handsome devil.
So that brings us to the broad gear releases. That's the stuff we've been up to at the shop. Gear that you guys can get your hands on. So, Adam, what do we got going on right now?
We actually have a great sale going on the website on Garmin and Demeta products. When it comes to Garmin, the sale is up to 33% off. As of right now, new on the website, we have the Garmin Instinct watch, which apparently has a 2-week battery life on it.
Yeah, so the Garmin Instinct watch, I'll throw a picture of it up right here. Really cool if you're going on a longer trips. This is something where you can still get notifications, read text and whatnot, but you'd have to charge it every 2 weeks, not every day. And that's a lot more manageable. But it's a fantastic looking watch. Our Matt's got one and absolutely loves it. And he wanted to put it out there for everybody because he believes in it, and it's fantastic.
Very cool.
Link in description to all the Garmin stuff. It's fantastic.
Yep. And we also, on the website, BlueRidgeOverlandGear.com, we have Dometic fridges on sale, 20% off on the website. And the PLB battery, the fridge battery, that's 10% off on the website right now. So you can take advantage of that, BlueRidgeOverlandGear.com. So
Yeah,
really
so
smoking good deals for Christmas.
Hundreds of dollars off on fridges. This is a really, really good time to buy.
Yep.
So
You getting me one for Christmas?
Yes.
Yo! You heard that, everybody.
Maybe. So last week we launched our Subaru attic for the Outback and the Forester, and it's sold great so far. So thank you all very much, and whoever's gotten one, hope you're enjoying it.
I'm enjoying mine.
Yeah, I was gonna say we love Subarus here. They're great vehicles, and we're happy to finally be making some actual gear that is specific to those vehicles. So absolutely great to have that.
And we
on the
heard you
website.
guys, you people who are asking about Crosstreks. We hear you.
Yes.
One day we'll get one here at the shop, and we'll see what we can do.
I actually want a Crosstrek. I mean, those are nice cars.
Oh, they're
a lot of fun to
amazing.
drive.
She really
Yeah.
likes it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Very cool. And they make a great Christmas gift. All those attics.
I
Fantastic.
thought you were gonna give me a Crosstrek for Christmas, so.
I already have to buy him a fridge. Apparently, so I mean, yeah, just
So,
get in
You
line.
get a car. You get a car.
Right.
That wraps it up for broad gear releases. Great time to Christmas shop. And that brings us, of course, to
The weekly giveaway.
So the winner from last week, Adam, who do we got for last week?
It was a gentleman named Donovan.
Old Chill.
Old Chill. Donovan
Sorry.
Velasco. Old
I wrote it
Chill.
down and you didn't.
Right. Well, I knew his first name.
So congratulations,
Yes,
Donovan.
you have won the Velcro Visor Organizer. Perfect, super handy storage. Goes around your sun visor in your vehicle. Has a little zip pocket there. Velcro on both sides. You can put patches, whatever you want to put on there or in there. Congratulations. Shoot us your info, and we will get this mailed out to you.
And now, this week, Cook Cake Bag. John, you actually own a Cook Cake Bag, don't you?
They're
So,
awesome.
Tell us about it.
This week's giveaway is our Cook Kit bag. Super handy little item. John, you've got one.
Oh, dude, I love it. So the good part about it is, like, we can clip it right on to our Snowmaster and the Medic.
So
And,
it's meant to clip onto the handle on most refrigerators.
Yep. Yep, and then you can put all your spatulas, spoons, and all that stuff in there. And then we put, like, our salt shakers, forks, and all that in the bottom.
Spices,
And
condiments.
this thing's ideal for your kitchen setup.
Yep. So hanging right there on the front of the fridge.
You can even
super
put a cheese
handy.
grater in there.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean a built-in
I
cheese
have a
grater.
cheese grater.
I see. My cheese grater is my teeth. Bite a brick of cheese. No shame in it,
You gotta do what you gotta do, man.
right? Hey, just how you eat cheese.
So, Adam, how do people win this?
What you need to do is comment below and tag one friend, and that's Instagram, Facebook, YouTube as well.
YouTube, I don't think you can tag friends on
I
YouTube.
believe you can actually.
Okay. Well, if you can figure
Okay.
that out, then you're
can.
entered to win.
Yeah.
We will know that you tried. If you tried, that's enough. Even
Yep.
if it's not a live link, we will know that you tried. Also, too, if you guys are on YouTube, give us your Instagram handle or something that we can reach out to you guys by, and we will. That way, we can get a two-way communication because YouTube does not have direct messages.
So I think that's going to wrap up this week's weekly update.
John, thanks for being with us.
Yeah.
Always happy to be here.
You guys out there, leave us a comment down below. We love hearing from you guys.
Yep.
Happy holidays.
And you stay classy, Overlanders.
Catch you next time. And roll the intro. Does that sound good
Ding
to
ding
everybody?
ding 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 ding. That was the intro, right?
And we're back. Let me try that again. 3, 2. And we're back. No, one more time.
Was that it?
And we're